What the fuck, ma'am? Why are you bad? Okay, thank you so much for shopping in our store, ma'am. Have a great night. Go down the road and help. Let me bring my gun, bro. Where the fuck are you, bro? Ang tatrabaho maayos eh. Bakit ka magpapatulong? Run and hide! No, 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 no. Shit! Fuck, 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 fuck. It's gone. Di siya tinatablan ng barel. What the hell? Good evening, just having a few things and heading back on the road. Boss, ba't mo siniraduan? Hey, yo. Do you like your life? Yes, I do. Yo, yo, yo. I have gun in my closet.
What?
Okay. Let's do this really slow, okay? Peel back minus $20. Muli ka dito. Oh. Puta. Gago ka. Balik ka ulit dito. Balik ka ulit dito, ha? Try me again, bro. Is there a customer? Hello there, sir. Let me clean up this mess. There's a robbery that happened, but I am a hero. I am the most respectable hero in 7 Evelyn.